All right. So paragraph 3. Let's go down here to paragraph 3 in Dr. Walker's dissertation. And we see here in our outline for the problem statement in paragraph 3, we have to state why the problem is current. Now, what Dr. Walker does is she reports on research that is within 5 years of the period where she is writing her dissertation. Now, she graduated in February 2022, but her dissertation was basically done in 2021. Okay? Anyone who knows this, that once all of your dissertations have been approved and evaluated, it takes time for it to go to the system and all get approved and the graduation, all that kind of stuff. So 2017, 5 years, that's 2022. She had ample time. And then she also had some references in here from 2015, which puts her up to 2020. But that's fine, because as long as you have references that are within 5 years of when you're basically writing chapter 5, then you're fine. Okay? So even though this is 2015, it doesn't really cause a problem, because she has other references in here that are a little later. All right. So here we're talking about whether the problem is current. So here's the evidence. So Forrest, 2017, conducted this research. Examined if there is an aspect of video gaming that discouraged cooperation or bonding between partners, and if so, how this affects successful functioning of romantic relationships. 56% of gamers play games with someone else, whether with friends, family members, parents, or their romantic partners. Though gaming can be a social activity, there is a considerable discrepancy between the types of people that gamers choose to play with. For example, romantic partners are least likely to be chosen as gaming companions. Okay? So this talks about the problem in the context of time, right? So, and the time is set by the publication of the research. All right. So this is where we're talking about paragraph 3 in the problem statement. All right. So write paragraph 3 and use the literature to indicate that this problem is current. And when I say current, it's within the past 5 years. All right? All right. So write that, and then when you're done, move on to paragraph 4.